Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp chats to Google Drive on Android. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Android device. Locate and tap on the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three vertical. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. Tap on Backup to Google Drive. A new window will open prompting you to choose a backup frequency. Select your preferred frequency from the options available daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Next, tap on the Google account option. You will be prompted to select a Google account. If you don't see your account listed, tap on Add Account and follow the prompts to sign in. Once your Google account is selected, return to the backup settings. You can decide whether to include videos in your backup by toggling the appropriate switch. Now, tap on the backup button to initiate the backup process. WhatsApp will then start backing up your chats to your chosen Google Drive account. The process may take some time, depending on the size of your chats and media. Once the backup is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Your chats are now securely backed up to Google Drive. You can check your Google Drive to confirm the backup is saved. To restore your chats later, simply reinstall WhatsApp and follow the prompts to restore from Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.